So let's just go over that procedure for solving simultaneous equations one last time. The first thing you need to do is you need to lay out your equations so that it looks a bit like column addition or subtraction. You need things in columns. The second thing that you're going to do is establish whether you have x terms or y terms the same. So in the first example here, we have 2x, which is the same in both. In the second one, we have a minus y and a minus y. And in the third example, we have a plus 1x and a minus 1x. That's still okay. If you have plus 1 and minus 1, or plus 3 and minus 3, or something like that, then you're okay. If you don't have the same x terms or y terms, then you know you just need to multiply, say, one of the equations by 2 or 5 or something to achieve that. But look back to the last example if you kind of hit that situation. Given that you've reached this point, the final thing that you need to do is decide whether to add or subtract the equations together. So with the first pair of equations, because we've got plus 2x and plus 2x, we are going to subtract. So that will be 2x take away 2x is nothing, minus 3y minus minus y means minus 3y plus y, and that gives us minus 2y. And then 10 take away 6 is 4. So we've subtracted one of the equations from the other there, and that's because we had a plus situation. And from minus 2y equals 4, you know that y would be minus 2, and you could go on from there, but we won't finish off that one. Leave that for you to do. For the second pair of equations, we've got a minus y and a minus y. And again, because we've got the same sign there, minus minus, we are also going to subtract. So 3x take away 2x is x, minus y minus minus y is minus y add y, which is nothing, which is good. And then 8 take away 5 is 3. And you could find out y then from there. Again, you can do that. Finally, when you've got a plus and a minus, like plus x and minus x, we're going to add the equations together. That's how we eliminate the x here. And so we then have minus 4y add minus 2y gives us minus 6y. The x's have disappeared already. And 13 add minus 19 gives you minus 6. And you could go from there. So in summary, you need to remember to make sure if you've got the same sign, then you subtract, and if you've got opposite signs, you add.